fainted light. A shadow calls, its voice unclear, pulling threads of time and fear. In the echoes of the void, where the silence is destroyed, we are fragments, we are waves, lost in dreams, the space behaves. A clock with hands that never turned, a fire cold but it still burns. We chase the ghosts of what we've been, in endless loops unseen within. In the echoes of the void, where the silence is destroyed, we are fragments, we are waves, lost in dreams, the space behaves. A voice says, hold on, but it fades away. Through the prism light, we begin to fray. Dimensions bend, reality folds. The universe cracks, but no one holds. So we spin and we fall through the fabric of it all. No direction, no clear line. In the vastness we're divine. A voice says, hold on, but it fades away. Through the prism light, we begin to fray. Dimensions bend, reality falls. The universe cracks, but